Elon responds to MKBHD's review comment about the Tesla Cybertruck door gap. Recently, YouTuber tech star Marquees Brownlee, also known on the YouTube world as MKBHD, reviewed a Tesla Cybertruck for his channel. He said the good and bad things about the review. Brownlee pointed out the gaps when assessing the truck's exterior. He said, "I think there's going to be something wrong with this door because it literally looks like it's open. That's pretty bad. I've never seen a gap quite that bad." He showed the door being open and closed. As we continue to see the gap, he stated it's probably one of those things where I'll have to bring it into the Tesla mechanic shop. They'll tighten some things up and it'll look fine, but that's the stuff you probably have to deal with if you get a low VIN Cybertruck number, meaning the first Cybertrucks that were handed out during production. X-account holder Gregor Truck went on X and showed a picture of MKBHD's YouTube Cybertruck door gap. He wrote, "This is single-handedly the worst gap I've seen on any door, period. It's a bummer. This is what was on MKBHD's all-wheel drive Foundation Series Cybertruck door that he's reviewing. Dang it." Apparently, Elon Musk saw this post and replied to it by stating, "Not a door fit issue." About 15 Cybertrucks in service had an issue where the door striker loosened in the field due to insufficient torque after door fit. It takes 5 minutes to fix in service and had been addressed in production line. Yes, it's great news to hear that the production site has been able to fix this door gap. Elon's solution of a 5-minute solution at a Tesla service center is actually a little lie. See, I'm not saying the fix itself will not take the 5 minutes that Elon said, but the process of getting it fixed will take much longer. First, you have to schedule a service day. Then you go there, you'll have to wait a long time for the car to be seen and addressed for its issue that you put in to the scheduling system. You also want to hope that there's no other mechanical or structural issues that is found during the visit. Have you bought a Tesla Cybertruck? If so, do you see any panel gaps or do you see any manufacturing issues? Let us know in the comment area. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow. Click on any of these boxes to see more of our videos. See you in the next one.